आज के वक्त में there are a lot of people in our country who think that English speaking is so necessary for your employability. But the point is, English speaking is not the point of focus. There are a lot of people who have amazing knowledge who are not good in speaking English and are having very good jobs. What is that reason? And they have faced interviews and GDs and SSB. See, the boiling point of all these comes down to confidence, and confidence has no language. Confidence has no language. There is a specific system in our brain called the amygdala, AMYGDALA. This specific system of this brain is designed to protect us from all kinds of changes and dangers. In the past, when we were early human beings, this part of the brain called the amygdala used to protect us from animal attacks. What it does is it pumps up more blood in your upper part of the body, because of which you are ready to face all the danger and the adrenaline. So whenever you go in front of an interviewee or you stand in front of public, your brain tells that this is something new for this person, and if this is something new, it is not safe. And to protect you from that, it starts to give you those physical feelings of shaking legs and thumping heartbeat. So these are the signs and characteristics of nervousness. But you need to know that the same amount of actions and reactions your body and brain gives you when you are excited. So isn't that a breaking news? That fear and nervousness are totally equal to excitement for your brain and your body. So whenever you're going for an interview or a GD, instead of saying that you are nervous and fearful, you can very easily again and again tell your brain that you are excited. You're very happy and excited to go out there and kill it, to perform. Whatever knowledge you have, whatever skills you have, you can present it with the best way possible if you are confident. And English is just an after effect of your confidence. So in all these sessions which I am going to give you, we'll be totally focusing upon confidence, and English will come as an after effect. I'll repeat this again and again. English speaking is not the point of focus. You not being confident is the point of focus, which has to change. There are a lot of people who will not feel comfortable while speaking in Hindi in front of their counterparts or in an interview. So it is actually not about English speaking. There is a big myth going on in this country that English speaking is very necessary. It is not true. If you go outside in different countries, they are giving more preference to their mother language than English. So this tells us that India has been blinded by the mass of people who are totally focusing on people who are good at English. See, if you're going for a sales job or a marketing job, English is necessary. English gives a good overview to your personality in India. But that is not the first step. The first step is confidence. So the people who are trying to speak English, I'd just like to tell you that there's a boost which you require to maintain the level of your confidence when you are expressing yourself. There are a lot of things which you can learn and understand from my sessions. And if you are someone who is in need of a good job, who is in need of a word called self-belief and confidence, and if you are looking for cracking a good interview and you are ready to change yourself in that perspective, then I am always there to help you guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and after that we'll be working one-on-one and in groups for this specific word called confidence and speaking with confidence. Thank you.